What's up guys, Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have a 2021 Kawasaki ZX-10R Ninja. It is a KRT edition ABS with just around 5,400 miles. Nicely upgraded NRC tie detail, M4 slip-on, GB Racing engine covers, DES crash guards, light tech mirror deletes. She is nicely dressed up, runs amazing, good set of tires, oil changes done to it, comes with 2 sets of keys and a code. To be exact. Engine sounds healthy, runs as it should, shifts as it should. I do not see any blemishes in cosmetic that I can pinpoint, except for this right here from a stand, I want to say. Both sides have them. That's about it. For more details, visit us at hnacycles.com, and thank you for watching.